girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have the Black Sherif in town with a song called Sacrifice. Alright, so this will be a quick one. 4 chords, 1 string pattern. We love that and we love him as well. A great song. Let's go into it. As you can see, no need for any capo here. Let's go straight into it. Starting with C. Okay, C goes 3rd A, 2nd E, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next is the G chord, right? It goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have D minor. Okay, so that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And then finally, we have the F. And that's the bar chord. You place the index finger on this 1st fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Now, let's learn the strumming pattern. That will be the chord progression through the entire song, okay? Just rolls that, C, G, D minor, F. Now, grab the C and you play like this. Now, the first part will be down, up, clap, down. And then down, down, clap, down. So, down, up, clap, down, 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 clap, down. That is one full round. So, okay, you're gonna play one of these per chord. So, C, G, D minor, and F. Some technical tip here. When you come to G, like this, okay, you play C and then come to G, you can keep that ring finger on the 3rd fret B string. You have that already prepared for the next chord, which is the D minor, okay? So it's easier for you, instead of just releasing everything, try to get the D minor. I always try to find these ways to making life easier. So ring fingers, keep that on the 3rd fret B string, go to D minor, and from that D minor you go to F. Now keep that mid finger on the 2nd fret G string, for you have that in between like this for the F chord, okay? So from G, D minor, F. You see how smooth that goes? Anyway, that is how I handle it. Black Sherif, Sacrifice. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.